Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use a USB controller on your console. First, locate one of the two USB ports on the front of your console. Simply plug your USB controller's cable into an available port. Your console should automatically detect the new device, making it ready for immediate use. This is a straightforward, plug-and-play process for most standard controllers, ensuring a quick setup for your gaming session. Once connected, press the Central PlayStation button on your controller to power it on. You will then be prompted to select a user profile to assign the controller. This step links the controller to your specific game progress and settings. For some third-party controllers, you might need to visit the console's accessories menu to complete the initial setup or check for any necessary updates. To personalize your experience, navigate to the console's settings menu, then select Devices and Controllers. Here, you can adjust various preferences, such as vibration function, speaker volume, and even button assignments. Exploring these options allows you to tailor the controller's response to your exact gaming style, enhancing comfort and precision during play. Remember to save any changes. If your controller isn't working as expected, try a few troubleshooting steps. First, switch to another USB port on your console. Sometimes one port might be faulty. A simple console restart can often resolve minor connectivity issues. Also, inspect your controller's USB cable for any visible damage and ensure it is firmly plugged into both the controller and the console. These steps fix most common problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.